Hey songwriters, welcome back to another edition of At Home Songwriting. I'm Chad Shank, your friendly host and your sidekick as you're watching YouTube videos about songwriting. Hopefully you enjoy this channel, hit subscribe, and most importantly, I hope that you will join my online free workshops. There's no catch, it's 100% free. We meet monthly, and it's all about helping you become a better songwriter. So make sure that you sign up. We have a great workshop coming up in January about using rhyme as a tool instead of a necessity. Do you really know how to use rhyme in your songs? You might want to join us. So let's get back to it. We're writing a song 10 minutes at a time. This is our 9th episode. So we've been spending about 90 minutes on a song. Last week, I started making a track, and here we are again, back to continuing this track of this song that I'm working on called Oopses and Mistakes. So if you've been watching this series, awesome. If this is your first time tuning in, you've got a lot of catching up to do, so make sure you do that. But what the deal is, I set a timer for 10 minutes, and then once the 10 minutes is up, I stop working on it. So I'm doing little bits and pieces of a song. And I know last time my timer didn't work, so I was kind of watching the camera timer, but whatever. This time I'm going to make sure that the 10 minutes is going. So 10 minutes starts now. It is counting down. So we are on the clock, people. And we're going to go back here and check out what we did last week. So I have this chord progression. Yeah, 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 yeah. So that's what we got. So I like this track, but I kind of like a different snare. I've used this one before. It sounds, this is all, so I'm making this song all in Logic. So I like this snare a little bit better. So I'm gonna just use the chord progression and play along with this here. Actually, I'm gonna try to maybe do more of a trap style beat. Let's see what that sounds like. That's interesting. I'm gonna try to run with that for a minute. So that means I'm gonna have to change a couple of other things here. I'm gonna have to change these other drum pieces. Ooh, so I might do that snap thing every other. So now we have 2 tracks of that beat. And then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to try to play like a little trap. Oops, back. And maybe it should be more I think we need a little bit of triplet. Everybody, buddy. Here we go. Nope. Nope, don't like it. I need just a I don't know. Add some swing to it. What's that sound like? Oopsies and mistakes, be the times and break it too. Feeling like you never was on my oopsies and mistakes. That may work. That might work, but I need to turn that down. I'm gonna add a little offbeat. All right. There's a time and let it down. Been done oopsies and mistakes. I like that. I like that. What if we try a different drum set, though? See, a lot of this process is really such personal preference, such personal taste, but I think it's helpful for some of you to see the amount of sort of experimentation and the amount of work that goes into production and songwriting at the same time. Ooh, I kind of like that. I kind of like, that's a little drier. That has a, what's this one sound like? Trance remix. vintage. I don't know if you can hear that on the video, but there's like a loud sort of 808-ish type thing going on there. Trip Hop Remix Kit. So that's kind of weird. That's kind of a weird sound, which might be kind of cool because that's something that I normally maybe wouldn't do, but there's still got to be more drum kits here. Minimal glitch. That kind of gives it kind of a cute flavor. What's this Latin kit? That's cool, but not for this song. Hip Hop Sly. A lot of these hip hop sound kind of the same. Fizzy beats. Uh-oh. And that is our time, folks. That is our 10 minutes. The timer has stopped. There we go. And that means we've wrapped up another episode of writing a song 10 minutes at a time. And yeah, hopefully this is helpful for you, and hopefully you will like and subscribe and join me for my live online workshops. There's lots coming up in 2024, so make sure you check it out. The entire goal is to help you write better songs and share my love and also the things that I've learned about the craft of songwriting. Yeah, so I just really appreciate you. Very thankful that you're watching this video, and I will see you next time.